Text Writing Module Function Introduction. Multiline text. Multiline input. This command enables multiline text input and editing, including special reinforcement symbols. Click the Multiline Input function, enter the text content, select special symbols from the options above the dialog box. After entering the text, click OK. Select the line, text or annotation to determine the angle. For horizontal input, simply press the spacebar. Specify the insertion point. Multiline text input completed. Multiline editing. This command reopens the multiline text created by the previous command for editing in its original multiline form. Click the Multiline Editing function. Select the text for multiline editing. Edit the text content as needed. When editing is finished, click OK. Choose whether to reset the text angle. Choose whether to reset the text position. Multiline text editing completed. Adjust line spacing. This command adjusts the line spacing of text created with the multiline text command. Click the Adjust Line Spacing function. Select the multiline text, then right-click. Enter row spacing. Multiline text line spacing adjustment completed. Write annotations. This command reopens text created by the multiline text command for editing in its original multiline form. Click the Write Annotations function. You can pick an existing entry. It will then appear in the content box below for editing. You can edit the existing text directly in the content box. After editing, click the Insert button on the left. Click OK, then click the insertion point of the note text. Writing annotations completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.